Here it comes, Lester. It's getting darker and darker. I'm going to let you listen to the crowd here for just a moment. And there it goes, Lester. I can see just a very small sliver of the sun. Listen to the crowd, take it in. Here we go, Lester. Totality now arriving.
Just awesome.
Wow, Lester, an incredible scene out here. You no longer need these safety glasses. People are cheering. We have been told it is a spiritual moment, a hair-raising moment. It is certainly that. It is an incredible feeling to be outside here and watch this. You can now look up at the sun with your bare eyes. It is safe for you to do so for the next 2 minutes. It is a moving scene, Lester. The temperature here dropping, the crowd cheering, young children, olders, their parents, multiple generations here. An incredible scene, Lester. It really is.
It is incredible. And we want to let folks know you're seeing different images of the sun. These are being taken from different places. So some places not quite in totality, but there in Oregon where Miguel is, you can see they are in a total eclipse right now. And it is remarkable to see. Let me bring in Steve Robinson, who's watching along with us. Steve, when you're in the total eclipse, we see those flares that come out from around of the corona. Is there something, is that a view that scientists don't get a lot and that is useful to them?
It is really useful to scientists. It's darn hard to get. Really close to the sun where the corona just starts is where a lot of the physics of the solar wind, the particles that the sun throws at the earth, affects us all. And to learn more about that, we really need to get a good look at that. Can't do it with space telescopes, have to wait for a solar eclipse. How exciting is this? It's
exciting, but I want to say if you blink it, you'll miss it. If you blink several times, you'll miss it because it's only a couple of minutes in each location. And do I have this right that this is actually moving at over 1,300 miles per hour?
It is. Actually, it's moving faster than that. It's moving more than 2,000 miles per hour, but the Earth is actually rotating with the shadow. So the differential gives around 1,400 miles per hour across the continental United States.
And Dr. Torres, as you see Miguel right now looking up, he said other people are looking up without glasses. For that brief moment, it is safe.
Just that brief moment of totality. So you have to be very careful. Before the sun gets covered and after the sun gets uncovered, you need to put your glasses back on like he's doing right now. Perfect example. If you're in that totality path, you can do that during that brief time of totality, but for the rest of the country, do not take your glasses off while you're looking at the eclipse.
Miguel, we see the light changing right before your eyes.
Yeah, Lester, it's a spectacular moment. The sun is beginning to peek out here once again. The crowd continues to cheer.